If you need to find the name servers for a domain on Namecheap, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to look. Whether you're connecting a website, pointing your domain to hosting, or checking your DNS settings, finding your name servers is simple once you know where to click. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Domain List. This is where all of the domains connected to your account are displayed. Now find the domain you want to check, and next to it click Manage. This opens the settings page for that specific domain. After that, scroll down until you find the Nameservers section. This is the area where Namecheap shows which name servers are currently assigned to your domain. Right there, you'll see the active name servers listed. If your domain is using Namecheap BasicDNS, the default name servers are usually dns1.registrar.servers.com and dns2.registrarservers.com. If you're using Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, you'll usually see dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. And if your domain is set to custom name servers provided by your hosting company or DNS provider, that means the name servers shown here are the ones your domain is currently pointing to. If you're trying to connect a site or verify DNS settings, this is the exact section you need to check. And that's it. Now you know how to find name servers on Namecheap in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick website and domain guides.